Which one's which?
With what?
Like, which one is this one?
This is one right here in the middle.
The one that goes across for the...
This is the one that's going all the way around the
Can I see this
outside.
one just a little bit?
Yeah, a little more. And then this one's the one up on top.
It is?
Yeah.
That's it if you keep going on slow, because it goes around the corner like that. It's picked up all over. That'd be a butt to get that on there.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna get a little more organized in this video, so we don't get all busy.
Clean that other end of
What's the name of your town, Joe?
Joetown.
I don't know. I don't really have
Joville.
JD wants to name it Joville.
You think what?
Joville.
Joville.
There's JD working the controls. There's a man putting asphalt on the roof. Is that the carnival down at the other end?
Yep.
I can't get it yet. I'm trying to be organized.
I'll hit it once you get over there. Hey Joe, which one is speaker B?
Speaker B is over there.
Okay.
For that end.
Oh, the train's going in there right now. Grandma, over here.
Going in the tunnel? I think I got it coming out of the tunnel a while ago, I think.
I'll get the horn for it. It's a steam.
It's a steam engine.
No, he said he's gonna get those running later.
Oh, you don't have them running yet?
No, not yet. You have to time it because they'll be going on the same track as this big one.
Oh, he's even got a little canal going over here.
Alright, girl, here
River.
comes the whistle again. You got the carnival, right?
I just noticed that this house has, what is that, a hotel? It's got lights in it.
Yes. It's got a fire going.
A fire going.
Fire.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, it's on fire.
Could be smoke coming
It's
out.
even got smoke coming out of it. How cool is that?
Grandma, go to the carnival. I'm about to hit it.
Where's the fire truck?
Oh, there at the fire station.
Well,
They're
the
being
fire
lazy.
truck needs to get over here in front of this burning hotel.
Grandma, carnival.
Yeah, that's the carnival. I'll get to that.
I love that sound. I'm gonna take off my jacket.
Okay, you can turn the carnival on now.
Huh?
You can turn the carnival on now.
Okay.
I'm gonna ride the Ferris wheel. That's my favorite ride at the carnival. Oh, we don't have the one on Top Run yet, do we? We stopped it. Awful big.
Figure out why that won't come together.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Oh, I'm weird. Always something got to mess up whenever somebody's out to see it. I don't know what's a couple there, but when I put it up here, I can get it.